Welcome to another Airbrush Asylum video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the completed artwork on the Trike body that you see behind me here, as well as I'm going to discuss some of the class dates that are coming up, both for the Introductory Airbrush course and the workshop. All of that coming up right now. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the completed artwork on the Trike body. So we've got the car wreck, the nice rusty car wreck in the outback. So this is all the Australiana themed artwork to tie in with the wedge-tailed eagle artwork that was already airbrushed on this Trike last year. So you can see some of the feathers that I've put on here to continue with the theme. So just nice and subtle. Not too much, just a little bit, just to create that sense of flow and keep the whole theme moving. Now this was done using numerous paper masks, which I'll show you in a minute, and Trident water-based airbrush colors. I'll bring out full tutorials on these artworks soon, so be sure to check them out once they're available. And obviously the clouds, I'll pop a link to a card just above somewhere here, and you can check out how to airbrush some clouds. Nice and easy technique that I show you. And then we've got the paper templates. So I just print them to scale and then hand cut them with the X-Acto knife. And generally this is the negative part of the template, but I start off cutting out all the dark spots first, do all the shading, and then work my way through adding highlights and bits and pieces. But you'll see all that once I release the full tutorials. So let's go take a look at the other side. And here we have the other side of the Trike body. Another wreck airbrushed on this side. I went with similar toning. And again, Trident water-based paints, using some paper templates and lots of freehand airbrushing. Bit of a tree in there as well. And then the clouds taper up again to the shape of the Trike body. And then, just like on the other side, I've got some of those wedge-tailed eagle feathers with some of the smoke flame to tie it all in with the existing murals. So looking forward to seeing this all cleared. This is now ready to get some 2-pack glossy clear on it. That'll really bring out that candy red and create even more contrast. And we've got some of the paper templates here as well. So you can see how I cut them out, and you notice that I've changed the color of the body of the wreck, as I wanted a bit more contrast when it sits upon that candy base coat. So just like the other side, there will be a full tutorial, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, so some current class dates that I've only just launched is Saturday the 21st of September. That's for our level 1 introductory airbrushing course. So that's designed for anyone that has never touched an airbrush. It's our introductory course. Teaches you all the basic training, special effects, plus you work on a t-shirt, and that's a full day class. So that's Saturday the 21st of September. And so then we have our level 2, which is the next step up from our level 1 class. And the level 2 airbrush workshop kicks off on Sunday the 22nd of September. So I'm also doing a 10% discount if you book for both the introductory course and our level 2. So both the level 1 and 2, you get 10% off the course cost. So I'll pop some links in the description below for the dates and information, so be sure to check that out. And let's just take a quick look at one of our level 1 introductory classes in action right now. So I do hope that you enjoyed checking out this video. Until next time, go grab your airbrush, do some amazing artwork yourself, and I'll see you again very, very soon for our next video. Bye for now.